Okay, now it's time to make some barbecue sauce. For that we're going to need some ketchup, some apple cider vinegar, or you can use pineapple juice. I don't have any pineapple juice, so I'm using apple cider vinegar, dark brown sugar, molasses, Worcestershire sauce, ground mustard, smoked paprika, kosher salt, garlic powder, cayenne pepper, liquid smoke, black pepper. Take all the ingredients, put them together in a saucepan, bring it to a boil, and then simmer for 5 minutes until all the brown sugar has dissolved. Okay, we got all the ingredients whisked together in there, and now it's just a matter of heating it up to a boil, then turning it down to a simmer for 5 minutes. The goal is not to cook it, the goal is to get the sugar that you put in to melt. And it's starting to boil a little bit. And after it is cooled enough, put it in a container, store it in the refrigerator. Now, if you find that this is too hot for you, cut back on the cayenne pepper. The whole big thing about experimenting with food, start with a recipe, then the next time you make it, make changes to it. I strongly suggest that you write down what your changes were, because you don't want to make a change to something and go, wow, that was good. What did I do? So, write down what you're going to change. Next time you make it, make the changes and try it. Bye.